Hell yeah. Racing.
Red Jimmy. Red Jim. For all the folks out there, that's G-E-M, because he is the ultimate Jim. Diamond in the rough top status over here. We got Jimmy busting the rhymes. Red hair on fire. Corinth, Kentucky. Here we come. Hot.
I think it'd be a good idea for us to turn that into a derby car.
It's a derby car.
Yeah, sounds like it too. Styling and profiling, I believe it's called.
Yeah. We're going to put number 37 on the side of it. Then we're going to take and rip that little bit of vinyl off top of it. And driven by Red Jim. He's our driver.
Wait, what?
Yep. Brother, I appreciate it.
Wait, what?
Holy cow. Picked up the 98 Lincoln Town Car here in Kentucky. Just got through doing a little test run down the interstate. She sounds mean as can be. We're ready to get this thing home, start ripping it apart, get it ready to go to the Derby's track. It's exciting. Red Jim's as excited as can be. He's gonna do the drivership of it. We're gonna put his name somewhere, number 37 on the side. So we're ready to ride. Let me ask you some questions about what do you know about demolition derbies?
I know that the point is to try to be the last car running and movable.
How do you do that?
You have to play
Have you ever
smart.
drove a demolition derby car?
Not really.
Or basically saying that you're in amateur status as experiencing demolition derby.
Right. Okay, so what's going on is we had a bumper that didn't want to cooperate. We didn't have the right wrench to be able to get all of the nuts free to make it come off the car. So we come over here and talk to my friend, Mr. Percussive Maintenance here, comes in and, well, it gives you the end result you have now. Boss man had said not to be really hammering on it, but when we don't have any wrenches to unloosen bolts, then we have to figure out a way to compromise.
But you got the bumper off, right?
We got the bumper off.
What are you gonna be doing next?
Shaping up. I don't know. Boss man's got to tell me what he wants done next. It's shaping up though. Looks more like a derby car instead of a luxury car.
Shall we give him a tour?
Yeah, we can give us a tour if we want to. Yeah, we got a rear bumper here come off. It's laying over here. We've pulled the tail lights. The inside has been stripped a little more. In the front end, we've got the headlights out. We've got the bumper pulled off, the bumper cover pulled off. Still got one little piece left here to get off, but I'm going to worry about that with a normal hammer, not the heavy persuader. But yeah, so it's coming along quite nicely, quickly.
Ready to race? Are we ready to go?
I mean, we got to pull the windows out.
I say we can go ahead and start working on those back glasses.
Okay, the back doors?
Door glasses, yeah.
Okay, not the big glass
Door
piece.
glasses, as long as there's not no water that can run into the wiring system there and all that from the rain. Go ahead and start doing that. And don't break it. I mean,
Don't break the glass, obviously.
don't use the heavy persuader.
Yeah.
Put them back to bed, okay?
No, I was enjoying that heavy persuader though. That was fun. I want to do some more. Do we got anything else I can heavy persuade?
You're sweating like a prostitute in church, you know that, right?
Yeah, no, I don't care. I'm having fun.
No offense to any of the prostitutes out there. We support all lines of
Work.
employment, work, you know. On a hot day like this, I'm sure it's sweating where you're at. Just wring out the stockings. Let's cut the yak and let's get back to work.
Yeah, I gotta get my water break.
Water break. H2O.
There's a boat. Got to wait on a recip saw battery to finish charging up so we can finish cutting this clean, get all the glass shards out of the frame. But we got this down, so it's down to the bottom here. Take the recip saw, cut this edge down through here, and then it'll all come out as one big curl of shattered glass. Going to clean up the mess, because if you don't clean up the mess, then it's an automatic disqualification for a derby. We've got the back glass completely out entirely. All the shards are cleaned up, all that. Interior is shards are cleaned up, and the inside here, endlessly encouraging. We've got all the shards off the hood. That's took care of. This has to wait to come out. But our next project will be the airbags of this car. So I get tires on it, get that little pup tire off the front, and got to get these off at some point. This chrome can't be on here, it's plastic. But so yeah, so it's going well. We're getting these doors welded up for the derby. And so one of the people who's in charge of dealing with this was like, hey, we gotta figure out if you can get in and out of the window. So this one here was quite interesting challenge. It's my big self decided it was going to try to squeeze between a 16-inch wide space. But we did accomplish it. It took like 3.5, 4 minutes, but we got it, by George, and we're good. So that's what happened with that. And it was a very comical show from what everybody's acting. Now get out.
The day's here. Been working really hard for the last month. Duncan, our big time shop mechanic here, has been putting his heart and soul in this thing, getting it ready. We got Big John, Red Jim driving it tonight. His foot's grown about 3 inches over the last month, ready to pound on that gas pedal, bust somebody in the rear end, the front end, the sideways, except in the door, not in the door, that's against the rules. We're ready. Duncan, you got her tuned straight, don't you? Oh, yeah.
So we got the Demolition Queen tuned up here. It was a lot harder than we thought it would be, honestly. A lot of fighting the anti-theft system and everything like that, but we've got it all jumped. Fuel cells in there, steering wheel shouldn't lock up, starter button works, that's really all we need. So hopefully if John keeps his foot to the wood, we'll do all right.
I'll be the one driving this wonderful opportunity of a car here. I'm Big Jim, Red Jim, whichever, Big John, Red John, whichever you want to call me. I do believe we're going to have a pretty good event tonight. Let's look forward to this and let's do it!
And today, the pigs and horses. When I woke up, I thought about it. It's going to be fun.
Excited. Are you excited? Come look at it. Got all of our sponsors. They're awesome. They come through for us. They gave us the best car we could come up with. We got everything ready to go inside. So here we go. We're loading up. Going to the Derby. Go with us. We're out.
Hey, we're loaded. Bye. No, we just got the Derby car loaded and the little Derby car loaded and strapped down and think we're ready to go.
Are you excited? Because I'm excited. We're fixing the race, demo, derby it. Doing some fine tuning. We got the fantastic mechanic, Duncan. Jeremiah's in there as well, working on wiring. It's exciting. She's rumbling, tumbling. Sounds like cold steel fixing to hit something. I love it.
Hell yeah. Racing.
we getting ready to do?
We're getting ready to compete with 2 cars. And basically the point of this is we're going to try to win this as first place. It's a good game and a good day all the way around. I have the big man as my crew chief, and I'll be the one doing what he instructs.
Understood. Take your wheel out a little bit and pin the gas. It's going to at least get you sideways moving some way or another instead of just going straight. Leave it in second, listen to the first. Pin the gas. So now I got to give it.
So that's where we're at, and I'm ready to roll with this. This is going to be fun. Let's blow this up there!
Hey, see a hit coming? Be loose.
Okay, we have a big car out there tonight. We've got car 37, which is John Haber.
We're good!
Good job, John! Woo!
Yeah, it's just been head-on collision on the roadway a while back. I was ready to come back and move it. I believe it could be run.
You believe it could be run?
Oh yeah.
Let's get it out there, see if we can drop it out there.
Okay. Thanks, boss.
Whenever he hit you, the battery got ejected from its positioning,
And it ripped the battery cables out.
and then it wouldn't start no more.
Hold me not, boss, now. They're gonna get the battery and try to set it and drive it out of here. That way y'all ain't got to handle it.
Good deal, brother. Good
Yes,
drive,
sir.
man.
Hey, doing a good job tonight, man. First derby.
Yeah, from the back of a car, yeah.